Table4.html will be the example of row span that will help us to combine a space of two or more tr using the property called call span. So we'll create next file table4.html, and then in that we will implement this row span property. The row span property. Now write example table4.html, table4.html. Yesterday video was video number 4. Yesterday video was video number 4. In that channel, it's there video number 4.
Sir, actually I asked because till now it will be 5 classes, right? So in that manner, I actually asked it.
First class, we have not recorded the video.
Okay. Okay.
First class video was not there. Hello. Okay, next start from HTML. Follow the body tag. Next start from the table. Second we have started, right? Second we have started, then second was no video. There was one video on third and fourth. That is called video number 1 and video number 2. Saturday, Sunday we have no class. So next remaining which one? 7 and 8. So 7th is the video number 3 and 8 is the video number 4. 7 is video number 3 and 8 is video number 4. Okay, come inside. Now this table will have align equal to center, and then cell padding equal to 10. Align center, cell padding as a 10. Now come inside. Write a caption tag again. Water is not there, yeah, in fan. Purposefully we have asked not to put the water in that. People bring their own water. Because everyone will use the same glass. Better don't put the water. Bring your own water and drink. Okay, so we'll follow here one h1 tag, and in that we can write for table row span example. Table row span example. Now we'll come inside, we'll follow a tr. That tr will have a th, table heading. Table heading, maybe you can say serial number or anything. Serial number, second TD is tell me. Hello. Continuous call. Okay, we can write here item name. Next, we can write item price. We can write here item quantity. Next, we can write item details. Okay. Now, after that, when we are displaying a lot of items, there may be some item in such a way their price will remain same, their quantity is same. Border can apply here. Border equal to 1. Lining will come. Lining will help us better to understand. Now TR will come. Under this TR, one TD will add here. 01. Next TD. Item price. Item name. Next TD. The quantity of the item. Price. Next, after that, quantity of that. Next, after that, next TD. Something. Next product we have. So this product, all the details are exist. Now next product, add one more TR with the TD 02. Next TD 0. Next TD price is 100 rupees per kg. Next, after that, quantity is kg. Next, after that, next TD is local product. The third product we are going to write where the price of third product and price of second product is remain same. So the price of third product, that is your TD 03, and the product name is called GRAPS, GRAPS. Next, after that, the quantity also, the price is also same, 100 rupees per kg, and the quantity can be different, 3 kg, and something better in taste. So you can see the product number 2 and product number 3. Some values are equal. The TD is a attribute where 100 kg is the 100 rupees. Oh, what I'm writing? Price I'm writing 100. Okay, 100 rupees per kg. Okay, 100 per kg, 100 per kg, no problem. So the product of second row and product of third row name are different, quantity is different, their details are also different. but the price is same, 100 rupees per kg, 100 rupees per kg. So in this case, what will happen? This come under the redundancy. Okay, redundancy, duplicate records. You are trying to display the duplicate records. So in that case, table concept says, in case if you have a duplicate record, so instead of displaying 2 times, those value that is common, you can combine together and you can display one place that will represent for both the rows or 3 rows or 4 rows, depends. Okay, so how we can make it? First, we can run this page and we can see, yes, the values are coming different. Table will be ready. Then we can apply the row span property and we can combine it. Okay, so we will run this file and check once. Simple table. Under this table, write it. Let me know. You can reply in the chat, working, not working. Then we can apply the row span property. Okay. Cool. Next, after that, in browser also we can see for the row number 2 and row number 3, the quantity price remain same. So at this place, we will go here and for row number second, we can write here row span equal to 2, because we want to combine the space of current row for a particular TD and we want to combine the space of second row of a particular TD. So which TD we want to combine? In that we can write row span equal to 2. Next, after that, once we have given the row span 2, so the TD of the mango got the capability to take the place of current row as well as the take the space of the second row also. So in second row, that is the row number 3. In the row number 3, again, you should not display the 100 kg. This TD should get commented. If will not comment, then what will happen? You will see the TD will go outside. Here, structure becomes a wrong structure. It's got combined, but this becomes one extra TD. Column count does not match. This kind of error will come. So in this case, if you are combining, then this TD should get commented. You can select it, do the right click. There is an option called block comment. So that line will get commented. Okay, TD let it be here, but comment it. So now the table structure will not be wrong and it will not say table count, column count does not match. The space of 100 kg for the grapes is being covered by the 100 kg of mango. Sublime, there will be some shortcut or maybe manually you can write less than exclamation minus minus, here also less than minus minus. Or select the line, do the right click, see their option will come. So hope looks similar. Two column got combined.
So, So Siaram, can't we remove? I know we are commenting out here, but can't we remove? But it's required to write.
It is for your understanding. After 2 hours, once you look into the file, you will feel like, oh,
Okay.
TT is here, but I have commented it. Okay, next, go ahead.
Sierra, can you show how it's supposed to look on table 4?
Select here. After selecting, do the right click. Block comment will comment it. Block uncomment will remove the comment. If you want to comment, then block comment you can select. After selecting, do the right click. Here option will come, block comment. In case if you are using other editor, you can use this manually, or maybe there will be some other shortcut. You are the table. We can just replace the browser. Sorry. Okay, so next after this, we can go inside. Add one more TR. Write a TD 0304. Next TD banana. Next TD 50 rupees kg. Next TD 50 kg only. Next TD for the grapes also 3 kg, banana also 3 kg. So you can try applying the row span. 3 kg is coming 2 times. Okay, so it will show you here 3 kg is repeating again. So inside the grapes there is a 3 kg. For that we can write row span 2, and we can comment the 3 kg from the banana. That only will happen. You cannot apply the row span in the last column. You have to apply the column row span in the previous column. So suppose 3 kg here, also 3 kg here. So what you can do for this, the grapes 3 kg, we can apply here the row span equal to 2. And from the banana, we can remove the, or we can comment the 3 kg just like this. Select and comment it. Then 3 kg of grapes and banana will get combined. Instead of displaying the 3 kg 2 times, it will display only 1 time now. It will display only 1 time now. I have saved the file 3 kg and 2. Okay. Correct, something like this. Now we have one more product. Okay, we have one more product that has all the details, like the product number 1. Like the product number 1, we have the product number 5. Everything is unique. Nothing is matching with any product. So we can write the row number 5, TR number 5 with the TD 05. Next TD onion. Next TD per kg. Next TD 10 kg. Next TD imported onion. Okay, ready? Check now. So this product have all the details. So row span. Suppose in case the onion also is the 3 kg only, then what will be the row span? In case the onion also 3 kg itself, let me make it. Onion also 3 kg. Then 3 kg was first, 3 kg was second, 3 kg was third also. So instead of writing the row span as 2, you can make row span 3. It will take the space of 3 TR. Yeah. Onion is also 3 kg. Now I will comment it 3 kg. We'll comment the 3 kg. And for the row span 2 you have written for the grapes, you have to convert into 3 now. So it will take the place of the row number 3. It will take the place of row number 4. And the same correspond 3 kg will take the place of row number 5 also. Right? So all 3 places, the same thing will get applied. Right? Let me check once. Is here. Okay. Now total, how many rows we added? Total 5 rows. The row span is clear. What is happening within row span? We are able to combine the space of multiple TR. Okay. But we need to remember, if we have combined the space, there should not be extra TD. else it will come outside. Now, let me come to the first row. In the first row, we will add one more th, the heading part. The heading part, call as a vendor, supplier, okay, vendor. Add one more th in the first row, that is called vendor. Okay, after that, after that for this all the 4 product or 5 product, for all the 5 products, there is only one supplier. For all 5 product, only one vendor is there. So what we can do, we can write the vendor name in the first row and we can give the row span how much? 5. So same vendor name will come to last. Let's come then. Go to the first row, thus where we have displayed the apple. In that apple, you add a TD, write some vendor name. Something. Now after that, for this particular TD, the Maruti Enterprises will take the place in the first row also, second also, third also, fourth also, and fifth also. So what will be the row span? We can count the total number of row and we can write here row span equal to 5. So complete from beginning to last it will cover. That is your last row. Row span is a 5. Right? Clear? Check now. Now that is covering how much? Total 5 rows. We will add one more product where the supplier vendor is different. Okay. So for 5 rows, the same vendor is coming. Right? So what we did, again, total number of 5 TR we have and we wanted, okay, all 5 product belong to one vendor. So the vendor name should not come again and again. So we wrote in the beginning first row and we given the row span as a 5. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, all the rows space will get occupied by the TD of the first row. Okay. Clear or confused? Clear. Come now. See, this is you are doing manually. Okay. This we are doing manually. If we have a knowledge of manually, then only automate it. We can automate it through the programming language. Programming language, what it will do? Your manual task, they will automate it. HTML you are writing now, a static code. It has to be DHTML, dynamic HTML. Correct? So data, bulk data, 2000, 3000 record will come from the backend API somewhere. And your JavaScript or Angular, React or jQuery will check your data. And what is the structure inside that, how the data is organized. That way it will run a loop and it will display the output. Where maybe 2 vendor will get combined together. Maybe 3 vendor will get combined together. Maybe 2 product price will get combined together based on the data that come from the backend. Okay. So the people who work in the market, manual testers, the automation tester must have a knowledge of manual testing. Then only they can do something automate. We need to understand manual system first, right? We need to understand first how a business works. Then only you can automate it. Then only you can make an application for them. Okay, let's come down now. Write a last year where the vendor is different. TD 06. Next TD, that is, you can say something, potato. Next TD, their price. Next TD, their quantity, 5 kg. Next TD, their vendor. Okay, details. Okay, local product. Next TD, total 6 TD has to come. Next product will be something vendor name. Okay, ready? Now, suppose something like this. This become your row span completely. Okay, in the last row, the product number 6. In the product number 6, suppose item quantity is not exist. Item quantity is not exist. Only we have their price, but the quantity is not confirmed. So what we can do, the price and quantity, 2 columns we can combine together with the help of call span, right? So that also will get revised. Come here to the quantity. Under the quantity, you can write call span equal to how much? 2. Call span 2, because we want to combine. Okay, sorry, not here, not for quantity, for the price. Call span equal to 2. So price is not confirmed. Price is confirmed, but the quantity is not exist. So we can comment that line. The TD you can comment. The TD you can comment. So the space of 5 kg will be covered by 30 rupees per kg. That becomes a call span. 2 column space you are combining together. Okay, ready? Next, after that, we can check here. 2 column space got combined. So you got the use of call span also and row span also. Based on this, I will show you one photo. You can take the photo in a mobile, screenshot, or maybe through phone we can take the photo. That you can try today. That will be one small homework for you. Let me, so hope looking similar or something else. Yes, no should come. I have added many call span, row span, should not have a confusion. call span added in the last, remaining all are row span only. Okay, only working for 2 people. I will share this file also. Code in chat. The first part of code. Second part, remaining half code. If in case error, you can use this code also. Now let's look at the photo, what we need to do. That is here. It's like visible. So how many TR, how many TH, how many TD? 4 TR? 4 TR or more than that?
40 here.
4 TR. First TR is taking the space of how many columns? 3 columns. 3 columns. Look at here. Maximum number of columns are how many? 3.
3.
First TR is taking the place of 3 TD. 3 TD.
Mhm.
So in the first TR, we will write a TD call span how many? 3. 3 TD. Second TR is also taking the place of
Sure.
second TR also 1 TD call span. How much? 3. You can write something. Then the third TR, total how many TD? 3 TD. 3 TD. We can give some width. Okay. 200, 500, 200. Width. For TD also we can apply the width. Last year again, only 1 TD, call span 3. Right?
Yeah.
I will
So
share you
can you
only
share?
one photo. Yeah. I will show here. Just you take the screenshot. Or you can take the photo in the phone also. One photo just to try in home today. Okay. From tomorrow, I'll give you daily 5 photos nearly. After that, again after 1 week, the 5 photo will convert into 10 photos. Basic, not like out of the topic. It will be related to what we have learned. Okay. So in this, confusion should not be there. You can first check in one row maximum how many columns are there. 3 columns are maximum. And minimum are how many? Only 1. So wherever we have only 1, there we have to write the call span equal to 3. That should take the place of 3 columns. Remaining you can check, yes, 3 columns are there, then 3 TD. Write something hello ABCD, ABCD, ABCD. Okay. I hope you took the photos. Okay. Next, after that, Let's come to the next file. So we can go here in developer guide, and in developer guide, we are going to create some 4-5 pages. There we will use the hyperlink, and we will use the hyperlink, as well as we will use the this one, table and e tag together. Table plus ehref. Okay, so we will create this many files. Example, one file called home.html. One more file will be about.html. One more file will be something contact.html. One more file will create login.html, and one more file will create register.html. These all the files you are going to create in a separate folder. Okay, separate folder, will not mix all together. Okay, so whichever the file you have created here, there, let it be. Now you will create this all file under the folder called example1, or maybe you can give better name project1. Okay, folder. So create a folder called project1. Under the project1 folder, you will create total 5 files. Create the 5 files, just only create the files, HTML file. Then from one side, we will start adding the text in that.
And so is this homework or are we doing this now? Is this project one homework or are we
Not
doing it?
homework, we are going to do now. We are
Okay.
going to do now. So you create a folder project1. Under that, using your editor, whichever you are following, create following files: home, about, contact, login, register, and then we will add the code inside the files. Table we have seen, we will be using the table tag. Href we have seen yesterday, we will be using the linking tag. And then we'll see, okay, how multiple page we can link together. User can go from login to home to register to about to contact, anywhere to anywhere they can go. They can click and go. That is called as a many to many. The hyperlink from many to many. Okay, so let me come to my system again, and where I am creating the HTML files folder. Here only I will create a folder called project1. Under the project1 folder, now I will be creating a file called home.html. Home.html. Project1. Home.html. Next file we have about, contact, login, register. One more file, about.html. One more file, contact.html. One more file, login.html. One more file, register.html. So after creating continuous this file, you will have a good practice how to create the HTML file in a respective folder. Okay, hope ready. Now let's come to the home file. HTML code will come. Body has to be there. Then you will follow a table tag. This table tag we can keep align as a center. Align as a center. Then you will follow the cell padding 10. Cell padding 10. We'll skip the caption. We'll write the TR directly. Under the TR, we will follow the TD. Under the TR, you will follow the TD. Okay. Under the TD next, you will follow the AHREF. This AHREF is helping you to link the pages. You are going to link one page to other page. So under the AHREF, we will give the current file name that is called home.html. Home.html, and it will have called text also as a home only. So one hyperlink is ready. Cell padding 10 we have given. We can increase to 15. More space will come. Okay. AHREF equal to home.html. Okay, add some more TD here. This TD you can copy. If one TD is ready, we can copy this TD and we can paste here. Total 5 times. 3, 4, 5. And first you will change the file name as a about.html. Next contact.html. Next login.html. Next register.html. Home, about, contact, login, and register. Okay, if the file name is changed, now we can change the text, the hyperlink. Home, about us, contact us. Then call login. After that, register. Okay, next after that, where the table will end. After the end of the table, we can write one HR tag. HR color equal to green color and size equal to 1. Color is a green, size equal to 1. Next, after this, we can write here one H1. Welcome home. Welcome home. And with the H1 tag, there is one property called align. Align. We can put the value left, right, center, and justify. 4 values are there. So we'll keep as of now center. Align equal to center. Now, home file is ready. This should look like this. Hyperlink plus one text in the bottom, welcome something. Okay, so the file is ready. Something like this. Yes, now you can reply, then we can go for the next file about contact, login, register. We have to create those all the files. Yes, if home file is ready, A to Z, all content you will copy from here and paste into the about file and change this heading called about us. A to Z. A to Z, you copy and paste in all the files. We have created total 5 files. So we'll copy everything from this file and we'll paste in all the files. About file will have H1 as about us. Contact file will have H1 as a contact us. Login file will have H1 as a login. Register file will have H1 as a register. Okay, so let's do that. We will copy everything from here. Control A, Control C. Control A, Control C. All will get copied. And in all the files, in about us, Control V, Control S again. Contact us again, Control V, Control S. Login, Control V, Control S. Register, Control V, Control S. It is copy paste all the places. Same thing. Now each file name are different. So the heading tag will change. Change the content of a heading tag in all the pages. Home will have home, welcome home. About H1 will hold about us. Contact page H1 will hold contact us. Login page H1 will hold as a login. Register page H1 will hold as a register. So try that much and see. Okay, so hope we are changing. In about us, the H1 we change is about us. Save it. In contact page, again, change the content of H1 as a contact us. Contact us. In login, change the content of H1 as login. In register, change the content of register. Register. Save the file and click on the links. All the pages will work. Now after this, we can save the files and run any page. Click on each links. You will find all the pages are working.
CRM, if we wanted to, from the home page, say if we wanted to do a contact us in a new page, would we then just do target new?
Target we have not added in there. Everywhere by default target is self. So here if you
It
click
would
on
be
any
itself,
link,
right? Okay.
if you click on any link, your next page will appear in the same window.
Mhm.
It is not going to the new tab, not new window. Every time in the same tab, the content will get changed. File will get changed, content will get changed. But the link is not one-to-one. Link is all-to-all. Since a static page, we have copy-paste. In a static page, we have to copy-paste only. We have to write one place, we have to copy everywhere and paste everywhere. Now,
all the pages we need to background. Home is great, about the contact is. Contact
controllers is not there. We have not saved the files. Problem what we have? See the files we have home about contact login register. The file is created here. This is called contact us. File is different. But this also is not there. In about here cover code is there. Login dot HTML. One file entity. This is contact. This is intelligent location. All should be in one folder. It's about people. About we have become all the files we created. No, all the files were supposed to be in one folder.
It is there in one folder only.
Now open all the files from one folder. Those are the contact ones. this becomes a folder. It should be file. This file is okay. We'll copy this file. And paste here 4 times. Now we'll change the file name. Home. Read. Home. Let's go about login. Contact. Register. Already. Contact. Register and all. So hope for everyone finished their loading or anyone has come. I have guided in the sequence. First, I asked you to create this many files where in one folder. After that, write this much, save it, and copy and paste in all the files. At least all the files should look same. After doing that, we change the heading. Home, about us, contact us, login, register. Definitely it should work. But the folder will be wrong. If the folder location is different place, it will not work. File name will be different. What name we have given here, it should be the same file name. System will locate based on file name. You know anything?
No, just wait it out.
Hmm.
Let's do something.
This file first we close this one first. Now select all. Control A. Right click. On top, we can do the control A. Right click in there. Right click. All the files are now. So this contact is from different location. Everywhere the same file name, same heading, everywhere same heading. So in home you have okay. Right here about. About this. Save it. Go to the contact. Then we can change in all. Okay, so hope your page is ready. Next, after this, if you click on any links, all the pages should work, right? Okay. Now you will go to the one by one in all the pages. Come to the home file, write a p tag, paragraph tag in home file. Write a paragraph tag, put there align equal to centered, and after that write inside something ABCD, copy paste 3-4 times. Okay. Next after that, the same paragraph we can copy and paste in all the files. Maybe in one file you can keep double paragraph, one file triple paragraph, one file only one paragraph, but copy paste maybe one time, two times, three times in all the pages. Home file one paragraph, about file keep this paragraph two times. About us keep the same paragraph three times. Okay, hope you have copied this paragraph. We went to the about file and pasted same paragraph. How many times? Two times. In contact page, maybe we can paste this paragraph three times. One time, four times, your wish. Login page, maybe you can keep two times. Just we are adding some text content to understand how my page will look. Register file, I kept three times. Same paragraph. Okay, then save and check all the pages, how that look. See this way. All the page has some content now and all the pages are loading. Anyone page not found? Okay, so working. Then this is called table with hyperlinks. Next example we are going to learn, that will be tomorrow, like how to divide the page into multiple blocks. Like as of now, hyperlink we have given on the top and content is coming down, and static content we have copy paste many places. HTML is static only, you can't expect more dynamic. We can make it little dynamic using the tomorrow topic. Tomorrow we will be learning how to divide the page into multiple blocks. Okay. And there also we will use the table tag, hyperlink tag, H1, H2, paragraph, image tag, and many extra tags also. Video again I'll send you in that YouTube channel. You can check that. By Sunday we'll make it all private. From Sunday we will be not visible to everyone. 3-4 days. Let's see that. Directly link will come in that. We can have a look in that. 10 o'clock, 9:30, 10 o'clock I will be uploading in the evening. It will come video number 5.
That's the class for today.
We done today. See you tomorrow.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
So let's share the file in the chat. Anyone need the file? Okay, scanning chat is visible. You can download it. If any error, you can replace also.